Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely removing and replacing the screen without causing damage to internal components. Start by shutting down your HP 15SFQ and disconnecting all power sources, including the charger. Once powered down, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Now, using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep the screws organized, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop. After removing the screws, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components, including the screen connection. Now, locate the screen connector cable. It's typically attached to the motherboard with tape or a clip. Carefully disconnect this cable, ensuring not to pull on the wires. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which might be a good option for you. Next, you'll see the screws holding the screen in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Keep them secured in a separate container. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the frame, being cautious of any remaining cables that might still be attached. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may still be holding the screen. Once free, take the new screen and position it carefully into the frame. Make sure to connect the screen cable back to the motherboard before securing it with screws. At this point, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help with the overall performance and longevity of your device. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. After cleaning, secure the new screen by replacing the screws you previously removed. Once the screen is securely in place, reconnect the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure it clicks back into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back panel to complete the assembly. If you followed these steps closely, your HP 15SFQ should now have a brand new screen. Before you power it on, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Once everything is in place, reconnect the battery, plug in your charger, and power on the laptop to test the new screen. If everything looks good, you have successfully replaced the screen on your HP 15SFQ. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.